How to change parental control PIN on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, here in your remote, press the menu button and go to settings. In settings, go to system. In system, go to parental control. Okay, in parental control, you can turn on parental controls to prevent children from being able to view certain content. You can go to this, but you can create a PIN first. For my example, I set into 1111, and now you can confirm the PIN. Okay, enter again the 1111, and now here in parental control, so you can enable first the locks. So you can switch on the switch button on the right side of this lock to change the PIN. Okay, you can see the PIN or change PIN here. So you can change your PIN that you use to access parental control. So you can go to this and change the PIN. So for my example, I set the PIN into 2222, and you can confirm again by entering the 2222. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the parental control PIN on Devant Smart TV.